Yeah, so if you like your very own Igbo name, hit me up in the comment section. I got my Instagram DM in the comment section and also in the credits at the end of this video, right? I'm going to put all my social media on there, so feel free to hit me up on any of my social media if you want to learn more about Igbo, Nigerian culture. If you would like your own Igbo name, you just tell me a few things about yourself and I'll pick out the perfect Igbo name for you. If you are Igbo, I'll highlight your name on the next Igbo name of the day. Thanks. I appreciate it, you guys. Continue to subscribe and like and share this. It all helps the YouTube algorithm. I'd like for this channel to grow so that I can reach more people and let them know about Igbo Nigerian culture so that we can come back into contact with our roots, right? So thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.